it's JoJo the Joyous Genealogist, and welcome back to your channel. I'm so excited about this video today, you guys. This podcast is about family history and temple work, and I'm here to help inspire those out there and to teach and to learn as we grow in our family history. So today, we're going to be talking about the Family History Guide. I was at the Genealogy KC conference here in Kansas City, Missouri this weekend. And this is one of the exciting things that I learned about was the Family History Guide. Why haven't I heard about this before? I don't know, but I am here to share. So let's dive in deep. Remember, if you haven't subscribed, I hope you stick around and subscribe for more future videos, and like this video and share it with somebody who needs help with their family history work. All right. So the Family History Guide, what it is a free learning, research, and activity center for family history. And what it does is it partners with Family Search, Ancestry, MyHeritage, and Find My Past. Now, Roots Tech and FamilySearch.org are supporters of this, and this is amazing. And if you want to know more about the Family History Guide, you can come down here and click on this, and I'll tell you about Bob Taylor, who volunteered and started this up in 2014. Okay, all you need to do is click on this little logo here anywhere, and it will take you back to the home page. Now, to get to the website, you're going to type in the family or thefhguide.com, and that's going to take you to the website. You do have to type in the, or it will not take you here. Okay, so that's how you get to the website. And then here's the intro tab. So the layout on this website can be a little weird. It's a little bit different. A lot of times it is horizontal instead of vertical. These tabs show up vertically. Thank you. And so anyways, if you want to get started, you would just click here to get started and watch the overview video. It's only like 2 minutes. You can take the site tour, beginner's path, includes definitions and reasons for doing family history. I don't want to make this video too long. I'm going to try to make it about 15 minutes so I can, so you guys can get going on this website and check it out. So this right here, the Family History Guide is here to teach you about how to use Family Search, Ancestry, MyHeritage, Find My Past, and how to implement family history into family history activities for your family. Okay. So if you want to find activities, you would go here and you can find activities for families, individuals, youth, kids corner, and so on. Okay. And you can even plan it out with a planning sheet. You can also look right here, weekly family history activities. Now, if you come here, they have a schedule that is following along with the Come Follow Me companion for the Old Testament this year. So if you click on this, I'm going to scroll down for a minute and just see what's down here. Okay. So if you click on this, it's going to show you the dates of each week. And this is like this last week's, and it goes along with like what our lesson was for Isaiah this week. And it will give you ideas of activities to do with your family. Okay. Such as like a scavenger hunt, how to help clean up your tree. And these are ways to get your kids involved in family history. And I really love that they have also a lot of youth tutorials on here too. Okay. Now, if you want to search by faith, you can. So say, for instance, you have Jewish ancestry, lineage. You would come here and say, I don't know anything about searching Jewish ancestry or records. What do I do? You could come down here and it's going to say learn. And there's goals here. Everything is going to have a goal. And I'm going to tell you a little bit more about that in a minute. So you can learn the basic about Jewish research. And then look, it's going to take you to all these sites right here. It's going to list them for you. This website is going to be the website you go to instead of Research Wiki. So I was asking the class presenter what, like, do we do research? Do we use Research Wiki first, or would we come here? And she said you would want to come here instead of going to Research Wiki. Okay. Because this is going to take you into Research Wiki and we'll find exactly the article or the tutorial, whatever it is you're looking for. You're going to find it in here and it's going to take you to that site or to that resource. Okay. Which is amazing. Is my surname Jewish? All right. So you get the gist of it. Really cool. I could spend a lot of time showing all this to you, but I don't want to take up too much of your time. All right. And then you can see like Jewish genealogy websites. So that's what I'm saying. You're going to have to look for the tabs horizontally through here because that's just the way they have it laid out right now. First time, read the first timer page as an introduction. And this is probably going to take us to Jewish genealogy course. I mean, I hope this kind of gives you an idea of what I'm trying to tell you, that what all this website can do, what it can show you. All right. And that will also take you to let's see. I think I got too many tabs open, you guys. I'll also take you to videos that are in basically, like I said, Family Search, Research Wiki, takes you to Legacy Tree. Okay. So if you're researching Danish or Swedish or Jewish and you don't know anything about that heritage, you can come here and it's going to help you learn everything you need to know. All right. And so you can do that for Protestants. Okay. Baptist research in the United States. And then it's going to take you to the Research Wiki page here in familysearch.org. Okay. And you can just start at the top and work your way down. And this is how you teach yourself on finding Baptist records and knowing more about how to search for them. Okay. And you can also search through countries. So say we want to go to South America. Let's go click on Brazil. And let's learn about the basics of Brazilian research. And if you click on this, here's your goal. Goal number 1. You're going to go here and it's going to take you to step 1, identify what you know. Decide what you want to learn about your family. Select records to search, obtain and search the record, use the information. And so you would just start there and you would work through it. And this is how you learn to find records in other countries. This is the best way, is the Research Wiki that I know of. Anyways, if you know of a better way, let me know. All right. So it's a lot. They've done a lot of work on this website. I'm excited about this. All right. And then you can search by faith. You can search by country. The vault is what I understand. She told me the vault is for any past information that was put on the website that has been like, it's a place to store everything that is maybe a little bit older, and so that it's not deleted, but it's still her on the website. That's what this would be, or that's where it would all be, would be within here. Okay. You can search through descendancy. BYU descendancy research. Research basics. Hiding in plain sight. Organizations. How to organize. Oh yeah, there's also on here training on how to organize your genealogy. Organizing and storage tips for genealogy research. Getting organized. These are like the beginning. So there's a lot of stuff in there for you guys to check out too. Now the tracker is the tracker is how to track your progress within this website. So if I go to Family Tree, I don't have any notes in here, but I did just kind of like wanted to show you how it works. So I went through here and clicked what I know, the basics. Like I know all of this and how to do all of this stuff, like how to navigate the family tree. So you can score yourself on this. There's a quiz. And then you can also take notes. Well, I kind of knew how to do this, but I still need to learn how to do that. Or, and so you could leave notes in here for yourself. Okay. So that's what the tracker is for. So every single thing you learn on here, there's a way to track it and continue learning. So like if you were in class, okay, I've progressed with this. Now, how do I search this, or how do I search that, or that, like Memories app? There's stuff here. Like, do I know how to crop and title a photo in Memories? I mean, it's so basic. I love that really anybody could use this. And then over here in miscellaneous, they also have a tip for the day, and which is really helpful. You just come over here and they'll give you what their tip was. And also how to contact them, quotes. And then also if you need help finding anything on this site, you could click on site map. It's going to show you everything right here. Okay, you could click on South Dakota. Or actually, let's not click on South Dakota. Let's click on Missouri. I'm from Missouri. And then research and records, goal 1. Learn about Missouri research and records. Get started with research from your Missouri ancestors. Basic stuff, you guys. It just starts at square one. Basic Missouri research tips and strategies. And what it's going to do is going to take you into family search for this one. And it's going to tell you here how to search online genealogy records, how to find Missouri birth records, marriage, death, on and on and on, obituaries. And if you click on that, it's going to take you to another resource. Okay. There's tributes, United States obituary notices. So I hope that helps. And that's how you could use the site map. Okay. And then also, like within all of our partner websites, so family search partner websites, you can click on here and you can learn anything about family search that you need to learn, from the basics. Goal 1 is like how to sign in, how to create an account. They also have on here how to create an account for your child on family search. And what it does, it's going to take you right into the research wiki page or into a question and answer page on family search. Okay. And let me close some of these out. And descendants, if you want to know how to research your descendants, I'm going to show you right here. Really cool. All right, same thing with Ancestry. Getting started with Ancestry. It's going to show you how to create an account, how to create an account, also GEDCOM file. I love that it tells you how to partner with Family Search and Ancestry. I did a video on this, but this is also a tutorial here for you to watch. And then like how to connect your Ancestry, or how to sync. I'm going to do a video on that shortly. How to sync between Ancestry and Family Search. Okay. Whoops. And right here, it's going to take you to the article. It's going to teach you how to, oh, I'm not signed in. Oh, what's it doing? I don't know what it's doing. Okay. But there's an issue right now. And it's going to teach you how to do that. So anything and everything you guys need to learn about these websites up here, or how to research different faiths or in different countries, all of that can be found in here. Also, it will help teach your kids on how to do things with their family history too. Okay. And teach them the importance of family history. And then don't forget, there's also the language. You can set the language to whatever you want, whatever you can read. Yeah, let me, English. Oh, there we go. I was like, where did it go? And E. E for English. All right, let's go back to English. But remember, like some of these tabs are going to be horizontal and not vertical. So kind of weird how they did that. I hope they change it. And then here's your search bar. So if you're searching for anything in particular, you can put that in there also. And I want to go over the media. The media part is really cool. So they do have a blog that you can come visit. Okay. And learn from that. You can also, you've got categories over here for your blog, like Church of Jesus Christ, Ancestry, case studies, family history art activities. These are all past blog posts. All right. You can also subscribe here if you want. And then let's come back to the media. You can link to their Facebook page, their Facebook group, or I think this is just their page. And in here, you can find out more information, ask questions, I believe, find out more tips and tricks, like right here. 2 ways to find the lost in a census, family history guide, Stone Speak, Understanding Gravestones, part 1. So I'm sure they're going to have like training on here too. I'm sure they do have training on there too, like just like this. You just click on there. Okay. And if you go to YouTube, it's going to take you to their YouTube channel with all their playlist that you can watch. Okay. Really good and really helpful. Show me videos. Awesome. And then back to media. URB links. These are other links that are on YouTube videos to help train you on. Okay. So you can go there. And then they have Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram. And then if you want to learn social media, you could go to here and learn how to use Facebook, like how to create an account. What is Facebook for? Understanding your privacy, how to create a page, how to create a group. All of that is listed in here too, which I think that is really helpful and going to be very helpful for a lot of people who don't know how to use social media. And then here are more media resources down here. Okay. Pass along cards, brochures. Say, for instance, you're doing a training or anything like that, or a show, you could print off material for it. So I hope all of this is helpful. Remember, you have the vault, the tracker to track your progress in learning, miscellaneous, where you can find the tip of the day. All right. Your faith. And then anything you want to know, want to learn on any of these partner websites, you would come here. Okay. And there is definitely a lot more to it than that. But see, we are at like 18 minutes now. So I definitely want to wrap up this video. And if you need, oh, here's questions and answers too. 15 minutes to get started. Let's see. Oh, that's cool. Spend 15 minutes a day. Yep. Okay. So let me know, you guys, if you've heard of the Family History Guide, and if you have, if you haven't, and what else you would like to learn out there. What else can I help you with? Let me know in the comment section if you've played around with this yet, and what you think if you haven't, if you're excited to use this. So you guys remember to like the video. It really helps me out. Share this with somebody who's working on their family history, and subscribe to the channel if you liked this video. All right, you guys, stay safe, be good, and stay blessed. Until next time. Bye.